Hello, everyone. Welcome to the next episode. And in this one, I'm going to talk about Microsoft AI Skill Fest and what exactly this event is all about. So stay tuned and get the most out of this 10 to 15 minutes short video. So, as we all know that this is an AI age, and in this AI age, everyone, either it's a 8-year-old boy or either it's a 70-year-old man, so every one of us are getting involved in AI kind of stuff in one or the other way, whether you are aware or you are not aware, but you are doing something which is a form of AI. Even if you watch any kind of news or even if you read newspapers or whatever the different mechanism by which you are going to get the knowledge, you will able to see that how AI is shaping the world. To make this particular one the skill fest, okay, so what exactly Microsoft is doing it is it's giving you a opportunity or even say a unique opportunity where every one of us, either you are a skilled professional, either you are uh, a homemaker, either you are a college student, a school student, whoever it would be, it's for everyone. So get the most out of it. So just to give you a quick background why exactly we are going to do this. So on 4th of April this year, Microsoft is celebrating or celebrated their 50th anniversary. Yes, it's 50th anniversary. And it's a long time. And to commemorate this particular one, what Microsoft has given is that it's going to conduct a 50 days event where every one of us could go ahead, participate, and sharpen our AI skill. So in this particular presentation, what I'm trying to present over here is what exactly this AI skill fest, and it's for which all individuals. So stay tuned. So the agenda over here is the event detail, when exactly it's going to be there, what are the learning activities, the benefits, and all other information. And we are going to get a chance to become in the Guinness Book of World Record. You might get a certificate if it's going to happen over there in that way. So the first thing is what about the event detail? When exactly the event that's going to happen over there? So the AI skill event, it's offer a chance to engage with the experts, not only from the Microsoft side, but from the industry over there, which will help you to improve your AI skills through various sessions over there. And the event features experimental content that allow all the participant, depending upon which level of participant, which or whoever it's joining over there. So we have got different kinds of category that we have done. It's a kind of hackathons, it's a kind of sessions over there. And see the link over here at the bottom. This I am giving it out to you so that if you haven't yet registered for AI skill events, it's high time for you to go ahead and register for it. So while I'm saying about that specific one, so let me just pull out the link and how exactly you could able to do. So if you could see, I went into the AI skillfest.event.microsoft.com, or even you can go to any of the popular search engine. And if you could look for AI Skill Fest, you could able to see it. And if you click on this register now, you could able to register for the event. Yes, it's happening on April 8th till May 28th. It's for the 50 days. Why 50 days? Because this year Microsoft is celebrating its 50th anniversary, which is a big feat. And it's giving back to the community to sharpen your skill. Then if we go to the next one, so when is the event? As I have told you before, that the kickoff event is going to happen on April 8th, and it's going to be one of the event which is going to last for 50 days. And we are trying to create a kind of world record attempt. So the event will initiate and an attempt to set a Guinness Book of World Record attracting the global attention. It's for everyone, for all of us. And following the kickoff, there will be a 50 days dedicated to AI discovery and learning from April 8 to May 28 over here. So when I say April 8, it means this Tuesday. Today is Sunday, so after 2 days, the event is going to start from there. Then who can participate? The big question. But I don't know anything about AI. I don't know anything about generative AI. Am I eligible? Absolutely yes. And that's the reason it mentioned that the event welcomes a diverse range of participants. Either you are technical, non-technical, business, in the academic field, and it's open for everyone, not only for the Microsoft employee, for the Microsoft customers and the partner, but anyone who wanted to go ahead and get involved in this AI technology or in this age of AI is very well welcome. That's the reason I highly encourage that if you are into this category, you definitely would be falling, or if you have got the kids who are the young kids over there. So definitely encourage those kids to go into these kinds of activities. And if you could see the target audience, so the target audience is towards the technical professional. If you are technical, you would be having a different track. If you are a developer, a business leader, a students, or AI enthusiastic, any one of you, okay, everyone is welcome over here. Coming to what exactly we are going to do, the learning activities over there. So there are different types of learning activities. We have got the live event, we have got the in-person training, the self-paced sessions over there, and the hackathons. So to cater the different kinds of personalities that we have, either the highly skilled or let's say the one who is the beginner, we have got the different types of events over there. And as I was talking about, the sessions are already being built up, that how exactly the sessions would be looking. So if you go to this, the Microsoft AI Skill Fest page, at the bottom, you could able to see that what exactly or what all are the different stuff that you are there for you, and you could able to see how exactly it's going to be, and you could see that there are sessions which has been designated either for the students, for the business leader, depending upon who you are, what exactly your role area. So go ahead, explore this. Then coming to the next part, how we can participate in the Guinness Book of Record attempt. So, in order to participate, what you have to do is that you must have to first register over there, and then you have to take an online multi-level AI sessions within that 24 hours. Means between 8th or let's say on 8th of April, you have to go ahead and you have to participate in one of those particular AI session. Once you participated, and if you could see the timing is there in the UTC timing, means on April 7th, 2300 UTC timing to April 8th, 2300 UTC timing. So the whole aim is that to achieve the record, the most number of users taking an online session at the same time. So if we could able to achieve this particular feat, we could able to register in the Guinness Book of World Record, and you might get a kind of certificate for the participation. So don't wait, go ahead, register over there. Coming to the next one, what's the benefit? The biggest benefit is that you are going to acquire the new AI skill. Yes, because the whole point is that the world should be knowing about the AI. Either we are the developer, either we are the user. So whoever it would be, we should be knowing about the AI. You could learn badges, you could learn certificates, and you could also join a global community. You could able to increase your broaden your horizon. You could able to meet with your like-minded individuals over there. You can connect, you can collaborate with them. Then how to access those resources? As I mentioned, to access those resources, you need to go to that Microsoft event page, which I have just showed you out a few minutes back. And let me just once again show it out to you. So this is the page where you could able to register, and it's full of all the content. As you could see, like now, right now at recording, it's just 1 day and 11 hours left over there, right? So, and at the bottom, depending upon who you are, you could able to explore your session. Once you go ahead and click on those, okay, the sessions would be like this. You could very well able to apply the filter. You could able to go through those particular on-demand sessions, okay, which could help you for the Guinness Book of World Records. So definitely go and attend any one of them which is on this particular category. So in this way, you would be participating in this particular one. Then the next part is something about what exactly the AI Fest Tech Challenge. So the AI Fest Tech Challenge and how to get started. Again, I'm repeating that it's a kind of gamified learning experience that you would be having, or you would be enhancing your skill. It's a kind of fun that in the fun you would also be learning. You would, or if you already knew your AI skill, you would be sharpening your AI skills over there. And it's a global competition. You would be joining the learners across the world. You would be increasing your horizon. You would be making new friends over there, and you would be getting different certification vouchers and two, which I'm going to cover in few minutes from now. So certification offers and the discounts. So what happens is that there are various sets of certification which Microsoft is giving, almost something close to 50,000 certification that we are going to give it out over here, and which you could able to post it up along with that. So this is the link. If you go to the sweepstakes or sweepstakes detail and how is the eligibility, this specific link, and let me just again show it out to you, the link, how exactly it look like. So once you register, when you go to this link, or even if you go ahead and look into any of the search engine, look for the Microsoft AI Fest Challenge sweepstakes, and you just need to fill out these forms. Once you fill out these forms, you would be one of the 51, you would be participating into the challenge of one of the 50,000 users who would be getting the certification voucher from Microsoft, which would be absolutely free. So I would highly encourage that once you register, go through this page and register it also over here. As it mentioned, that it's celebrating the 50 years of Microsoft innovation by giving away 50,000 free Microsoft certification exam vouchers in the weekly drawing, prior prize drawings. So avail the most out of it. Then everyone, let's say for example, if we could able to make this as a Guinness Book of World Record, then everyone who would have participated in that 24 hours, means from on Tuesday on 8th of April, if you would have completed those specific training, and specifically the training which I'm talking about are the ones where it mentioned that digital on demand Guinness Book of World Record, this particular section, if you would have completed, and in this 24 hours, if we could able to have most number of users, and if it becomes a Guinness Book of World Record, you would get an opportunity to get a participation badge also, which you don't know that at what point of time it could help you out in your career. Might be possible that one of the guy who would be joining would be a college student or an emerging guy, okay, who is very good in AI scale and might be leading one of the technological company in his career going forward. So don't miss this particular chance. Going to the training duration. So most of this particular session, which are the on-demand sessions lasting between 45 to 60 minutes, as it contain, and it purely based upon the target audience. Like as you could see that I targeted the audience in this particular one as a students. So it listed me out that for the student, how exactly the things look like. This is for the students, that how exactly I should be designing my AI, how I should be upskilling my AI tool. So depending upon what exactly the target audience, who you are, and you could able to learn it out in this 45 to 60 minutes. And as I mentioned before, that it's a 60 or it's a 50-day event. Get the most out of it. I'm not saying that because I'm working in Microsoft, but I'm saying so that the community could get benefited out of these kinds of activities. And generally the question being asked that, okay, the Microsoft AI tool is Microsoft Copilot. So do I need the access for Copilot? It doesn't require anything like that. So participants do not direct access to the Microsoft Copilot. They can practice using the websites also. So Conclusion, if I could conclude, it's a great opportunity for all of us to enhance our skill, whether it's students, whether it's professional, whether it's businessman, whether it's a general people, right? Everyone is welcomed over here. Then we have got the certification offer. You have to participate into those specific one, and you could get a chance to get those 50,000 free certification voucher, which Microsoft is providing. And along with that, you are also enhancing and upgrading your skills. Then the collaborative experience, because it's from across the globe that the people would be joining. It would be that from the Microsoft side, the experts are joining, from the industry experts are joining, your peers are joining. So in that specific case, what's going to happen is that you are going to gain the knowledge. You are going to get most of the like-minded people. You can connect using LinkedIn or through the various profile. So it's always a win-win situation for you. So get the most out of it. Again, I'm repeating, go ahead and get yourself registered to this AI Skill Fest, and also for getting the certification at the AI Skill Fest Challenge sweepstakes. So with that, I'm going to end this video. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.